What is up, you guys? It's your girl Glow Gloria, and in today's video, as you guys can see, I went ahead and made a remake of my Afro tutorial with my 4C hair. So my hair has been getting a little longer, so I decided to, change the way that I achieve my Afro. So this is it, you guys, and if you guys like what you see, keep watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Alright, so before I get started, I have my hair all detangled into 4 sections. So the front of my hair, once again, is the longest part of them all. So what I'm going to actually do is, I don't like putting a lot of heat in my hair. So I am going to African thread my hair just to stretch it out so that I can get the desired length that I want in the back. So I'm just using a regular thread like this. Alright, so I detangled it so, as my hair's kind of damp. So, you don't want it to dry, And I have like products in there because it's from like an old twist out that I detangled. And it still has some stuff in there, but you still need, you still need to get a little bit of moisture in there, so just so it's not dry. So you guys already saw my last video, this easy detangler brush, y'all. It's my go-to now. So this is the new babe. This is my newfound love. So once again, I detangled it. So now I am going to thread it. And I don't know if you guys know what the African threading is. So I'm Ghanaian, so we used to do this when I was younger. They used to do this to my hair a lot. Just to stretch the hair. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. And you don't want it to be kind of like too tight. You just, I don't know, I'm just doing it just to stretch my roots a bit. And I don't want to put heat in my hair. So, I'm just doing this just to get some length, okay, in my fro, especially when it comes to the back.
I just want your loving, no. I want, if you show me something better, I don't want your money. I just want your loving, no. I want, if you show me something where I don't see before. I just want your loving, no. I want, if you show me something where I don't see before. Adina, baby, your money don't impress me. Fancy me, but I've got my own. Baby, I know you just want to undress me. That's what you want, and try again. Try again. Ooh, I think say you feel by my love, oh.
So these sides, I'm just gonna leave like this because they already have the length that I need. So I'm not going to stretch them because I don't want them to, I'm trying to achieve an Afro, so I don't want it to look all weird, if that makes sense.
If you show me something where I don't see before, although you're there in Sika, although you're there in Libya, into Mr. Otia, show me something deeper, although you're there in Sika, although you're there in Libya, into Mr. Otia, show me something. Ooh, I think say you feel by my love, oh.
To be honest, I might. So guys, we're winging this, okay? So the front of my hair is really weird, so it makes it really hard for me to achieve anything. Like, Alright guys, so I kind of did it, so it was long, so I kind of put them all in bantu knots. So once again, I did stretch the back, but then I put them in bantu knots just so I can get the fro look that I want, because with the front of my hair, it's really hard. So this is just me winging it, so we will see how it turns out, okay? So don't quote me on this, guys. I'm just winging it. I'm just trying to work things out to see. It's basically an experiment to see what will work for my hair, especially with going forward with the length that I have now. So please don't come and attack me. Please, I am just winging it. So we'll see how it turns out, and I'll see you guys later.
Your money, I just want your loving, oh. I want, if you show me something better, I don't want your money, I just want your loving, oh. I want, if you show me something where I don't see before. Your money, I just want your loving, oh. I want, if you show me something where I don't see before. Adina, baby, your money don't impress me. Fancy me, but I've got my own. Baby, I know you just want to undress me. That's what you want, and try again. Try again. Ooh, I think say you feel by my love, oh, love, oh. Ooh, I think say you feel by my love, oh, love, oh. I don't want your money, I just want your loving, oh. I want, if you show me something.
Alright guys, so this is the updated Afro tutorial, and to be truthfully honest with you guys, I like this one better than my last Afro video, because this one actually is not shrunk like the other one. This one is actually like a little bit more fuller than the other one. So yeah, you guys, I really do hope that you guys enjoyed this new video, this new tutorial, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.